multiplication and division. So multiplying, dividing like that.
Mhm.
Now, if I give you a positive times a positive, the answer is positive, and these are same sign.
Mhm.
Okay. So this is different than adding and subtracting. Like you have to calibrate your brain. Okay, I'm doing addition, subtraction, and for multiplication. Like when you play sport, it doesn't always apply to one sport to the next. If they're both negative, which is also same sign, the answer is positive. So these are both same sign. Okay.
Mhm.
And then positive and a negative, these are now opposite sign, a negative times a positive. These are opposite in sign. Well, when
Mhm.
they're opposite in sign, you get a negative. Okay. And this applies to both multiplication and division. Okay. So, if you think about division, it's positive divided by a positive. Well, that's going to give you a positive. A negative divided by a negative is going to give you a positive.
All right.
Okay. But if there's a positive divided by a negative, or a negative divided by a positive, in both cases, you get a negative.
Right.
So it's a lot of the same thing I wrote down. You have to write something down now in your notes that illustrates that you understand this, or if you have questions, this is the time to ask.
All right.
Because we're going to do some example problems. We're going to do problems where we're going to be multiplying, dividing with same sign, opposite sign, and the sign is really important. It's like more important than the number. Like if you give me the wrong sign, that's a problem. It's like telling someone to go north instead of south.
Uh-huh.
Um, if you start driving here, you're a year away from that, but like bad. Like if you go left instead of right or forward instead of reverse, that's really bad. And that's what I'm trying to sort of say. So you've got to get something down in your notes now
Got
to
it. All right.
reflect this, and let me know when you've done that, and we'll
All right. Got it done.
okay. So very good. All right. So for example, here's a very straightforward problem. What is -2 times -3?
-2 times -3. So,
Yes. And you can see my screen?
yes,
Okay.
I
Just
can
making sure. Yeah.
see screen. -6.
So your answer is completely wrong. And that's the problem here. Like these are both negative. They're both same sign.
All right.
So
Same
when it's
sign.
same sign, it's always positive.
Oh yeah. Sorry.
So so what I'm concerned about is you didn't write this down in a way where it is meaningful to you. Same sign means they're both positive or both negative. When they're both positive or both negative, the answer is positive. If they're opposite in sign, one positive and one negative, it's negative, or negative and then a positive, it's negative. So if they're same sign, the answer is positive. If they're opposite sign, the answer is negative. That's like, you have to get that down. That has to be
Got it.
super, super clear.
All right. I'm gonna write some more real quick.
So let me know when we can proceed here.
Yeah.
Are you ready for some more problems?
Yeah.
Okay. About -14 divided by 7 equals -8 times -3 equals. So go ahead and try this for me, please.
Okay. Mm, It'd be -2.
The next one.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I see that. So, 24.
Okay, let's do a couple more here.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and give these a try, please.
Okay. First one is 10.
Okay.
The second.
Me, just a moment, please. I'll be right back.
No problem.
All right, I am back. Do you have an answer for the second one there?
Yeah, +4.
+4, good. Okay. So we got to this place in a previous lesson where everything was, I think everything was going really well. And you understand, like, it's like you understand this and you understand the stuff from the other day, but it's like moving between the two.
Mm-hmm.
That could be a problem here. Um, so let's just try a quick problem here and see how you do. -2 times 3 plus -5, okay? So this is an order of operations problems, and you always do multiplication division before addition and subtraction. So you're going to first multiply here. Could you multiply for me, please?
Yeah. 6. -6.
Okay, so it's -6 plus -5. So now you have to go back and remember the rules for addition and subtraction. Are these same sign or opposite sign?
They are the same sign.
Same sign. So what is the rule for that?
Just add them together.
Okay, so what is the result?
-11.
You got it. Okay, so let's try another one here. -5 times 3 plus -4 times -4. Why don't you try working this one out? And again, you're going to multiply and divide before you add and subtract.
Right. Would it be 1?
Let's take a look here. -5 times -3 is -15 plus 16. It would
Mhm.
be 1. Very good. Excellent. Okay, let's try another one here. Just a reminder, let's say it's 8 minus a -4. What does the double negative become?
A positive. So it's just
Positive.
8
So
plus 4.
8 plus 4. Good. Excellent. So the reason I bring that up here is what we might see that here. So let's go -3 times -6 minus -4 times 3. All right, so go ahead and give this a try again. You're going to multiply and divide before you add and subtract.
Got it. All right, it should be 6. Wait, actually, no. Actually, no.
6. Yeah, check your signs. That is
Yeah,
don't tell you now that is definitely not correct. But
I
you're in
forgot a
the
step. Sorry.
right area.
Yeah, I forgot the thing we literally just did with the double minus. Oh, 80. All right, I think it would be 30.
So we got 18 minus a -12, which becomes 18 plus 12, which is 30. Very good. Doing great. Good effort today so far. Keep it up here. More problems to try. We're just sequencing through this kind of thing. Let's say it's 1 minus, and then -3 times -2. Now don't worry too much about the parentheses, which means -3 times -2 plus -1. All right, so I want you to give this one a try, please. Since
Just
my
say
internet's
where.
unstable,
Yeah. All right.
that could just go away here any moment. So, did you hear what I said about the parentheses, or do you need me to restate that?
You probably have to because you're cutting out on them.
So the parentheses here, they're just extra, like you don't really need them. I'm just doing it to frame the numbers.
Got it.
So just treat this as -3 times -2.
All right. Hmm. All right, I'm awesome.
Do you have a final answer for me, or do you have some questions?
I'm almost done. I'm just
Okay.
going back and forth. Um, let's see. Oh, okay. +7. All right, would it be 2?
Let's take a look here. What is -3 times -2?
-6?
Tell me how you came up with that.
Wait, there's the double minus.
Okay. But the rule says when they're same sign, the answer is always
All right then.
what? Positive, right?
Positive.
You have to somehow get this, down. 6. 1 minus 6. How about -7 times -1? What does that become?
Wait, say that again.
-7 times -1. What does that
I had
become?
7.
Okay. So now why don't you rework it from here, left to right?
Oh. Uh, hmm. I'm a little stumped. Because 1
Okay,
minus 6 is
this is the
-5.
point of the lesson. This is the point of the lesson where I can't really help you much because there's only 4 rules. Are these same sign or opposite sign?
Okay.
Are they same sign or opposite sign?
Hold up.
I I did not hear your answer.
Hold on. I gotta do something real quick.
We're gonna take a short break here. I'm gonna check back with you at 12:35. Okay, just take 5 minutes, take care of whatever you need to care of, do the same. We're gonna finish out the lesson strong here. All right, Eden, let me know a little earlier. Let me know if you're back. We can finish up here strong.
Hello.
Hey, Eden. All right, let's finish up strong here.
All right.
Um,
Can I ask you something? I don't know.
sure.
Like every single time I forget like the most basic things. For instance, to tell if something's the same sign or not. I don't know why. Like I just need like a reminder.
Yeah, I mean, the thing
Like
that will
the
help the most is practice in between the lessons. I mean,
uh-huh.
this one is positive. There's no positive written there, but
Got it.
because nothing is written, it's positive. Subtraction mean it's negative. Things like that would help.
Is there like a place I could write this down?
Yeah, I mean, I would put it down in your notes. That way you know
Alright.
what.
Hmm. Okay, hold on. All right. You there?
Yep.
All right.
So when they're opposite in sign, you have to first determine the sign. So is the answer positive or negative?
Negative.
Okay, and then you take the larger 6 and subtract the smaller 1. So what is 6 minus 1?
6 minus 1 is 5.
5. Yep. So -5 plus 7. Are these same sign or opposite in sign?
Say that every time?
Are these same sign or opposite in sign now?
Opposite?
Yes. One's negative, -5, positive
Then one's
7.
positive. All right. All right.
So you first have to determine the sign, which is positive, or is the answer positive or negative?
Got it.
So what is it? Was the answer positive or negative?
It would be negative.
Which is further from 0? So -5 is further from
Oh,
0 than 7.
right. I need to. Hold on. Further.
So do you have the answer for this one?
Yeah. 2.
2. Yes. All right, good. Okay. So I mean, the hard part here is just processing all the stuff here. So we're gonna do a few more.
Yeah.
Let's go -5 times -3 minus 4 times 4 minus 2. All right. So again, you do multiplication and division before addition and subtraction.
All right. Mhm. All right. You remember? -2. All right, if I'm correct, it should be -3.
Take a look here. -5 times -3 is 15. Is that what you have?
Yep.
Great. And then minus 4 times 4 is 16.
Mm-hmm.
What is 15 minus 16?
-1.
-1 minus 2 is -3.
-3.
Very good.
All right.
All right. Let's try another one here. Actually, let me go grab one. There's we gotta eventually get to where we can do some other stuff here. All right, so here's a new problem for you to look at.
What?
So here you've got multiplication and division. So whenever you have multiplication and division, you do them left to right. So you first need to do 4 times 6.
Hey, get up.
What is 4 times
Sorry,
6?
someone came in my room. Second.
Let me know when you're ready to do this problem. I mean, it doesn't matter to me
Yeah,
if we
sorry.
spend 7 minutes to do it or 1 minute.
Yeah,
I mean,
someone came in. I'm sorry. What's up?
I'm gonna wait for you to work out the problem. So
Yeah.
take as much time as you need.
All right, would it be 14?
Okay, what is 4 times 6? Let's start with that.
24.
Divided by 3, so you division before addition. 24 divided by 3 is,
8.
and then 6 plus 8 is 14. Perfect. Really good. All right, let's have you try one more here. Believe it or
Alright.
not, we're making a lot of progress. You know, even though
Really?
maybe, yeah,
Oh, okay.
this happens. You see all of a sudden you see, you know, kind of saying when you're lifting weights, you get a big boost after a while. Okay, actually, sorry, this is the same. Whoops. Give me a moment here to find sorry, find one that's slightly slightly different from, okay. So again, you want to do multiplication and division before addition and subtraction, please.
Would it be 50?
Take a look here. So 8 times 4 is 32,
Mm-hmm.
plus 9 minus 9 plus 18. So whenever you see a plus 9 minus 9, that goes to 0. But if you don't see that, it's 41 minus 9 plus 18. 41 minus
Oh,
9 is 32 plus 18, which is
all right.
50. Good, good, really good. Let's do one more here. This one's kind of short. Again, you do multiplication and division before addition and subtraction.
Mhm. Would it be would it be 3?
Take a look. What is 14 divided by 2?
7.
7 minus 1 plus 3. So you subtract. What is 7 minus 1?
6.
Plus 3,
9.
9. How did you come up with 3?
I just did 1 plus 3, but I had a feeling that was going to be incorrect.
Yeah, but 1 plus 3 is 4. So how did you come up with 3? Like, I want to know. This helps me to understand what your thinking is.
Hold on.
It's not
I don't
trying to
even know
like,
if I did it right. Cause I just did 7 minus 4.
I said, well, that would get you to 3. But we've talked about it. I mean, we read left to right. You
Right.
do math problems left to right. You can't start on the right and work
Yeah.
left. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and stop here for today. So
Alright.
actually, I don't want to do a breakout room. Stop the recording.